Enterprises Next Levels, we are breaking barriers. My name is Ambassador Sweetness, Igho, God Glory, a proud partner of this beautiful conglomerate called Enterprises Next Levels, ENL for short. I welcome you to this very short video that is going to elaborate the success strategy for you to scale through with the Gold Package Path for 2026. In fact, by the end of this video, you will have a blueprint to work with to ensure that you have a very beautiful takeoff and a safe landing by December 2026. So what's the first step to succeeding with this Gold Package Path? The first step to succeeding, before I talk about it, I would like to let us know what the Gold Package Path is all about. By the way, if you are new to Enterprises Next Levels, it is important you understand that Enterprises Next Levels is a business conglomerate. Underline the word business. A business conglomerate that is saddled with the responsibility to bet investors. We are here to train entrepreneurs, to raise leaders who will be at the forefront of the wellness, the wealth creation, and lifestyle for humanity. Our goal is to save one, save many. Our job is simple. We reach out to people with our beautiful products, our wellness products, our cooperative products, and our real estate products, and help them find meaning. We show them these opportunities and help them make good decisions that will turn their lives around over time. This is a business. It simply means a business has to be built. It is a system that is working. The cooperative arm has been saving lives since 2016. And then the wellness industry, our wellness arm has been saving lives since 2022. We've been loving it. These awesome products you are seeing here have been doing great things. You can see all of them right here. This is Vigor Bold for Men. This is a wonder. It has been doing great things in the lives of people. And this is what you will get when you sign up as a Gold Package partner. All right. You can either get this or you can also get our Femi Bold product. Very wonderful product. This is for women. Of course, you can also get the one for people who want to watch their weights. They want to bring down their weight. You can get this. Those who want to, they have digestive issues, ulcer, you name it, constipation, colon issues. This product is a wonder. It will do that for you. And then, of course, we also have a great product. This one is the best stem cell product you can find in this industry. Yes, the best stem cell product is called Cranston Bold. This product is a life changer. It's actually our health insurance. When you take this product, you will understand what it does. I'm not here to talk about the products. I'm here to talk about our Gold Package Path. And of course, everyone who signs up on the Gold Package Path within the team have other benefits that they get. So what is the Gold Package Path? The Gold Package Path is a simple step-by-step proven system that takes every partner from Cycle 1 to Cycle 12. Within 12 months, you are able to rake in a minimum of 24.6 million naira. You can see the specificity in what I'm saying, 24.6 million. And that's not all. There is a whole lot that will happen within your network as you take upon this opportunity. But for you to begin this, you need a token of just 73,600 naira. That is all you will ever need. There is no other money you're going to bring out of your pocket again for life. With 73,600, you're going to be having 4 packs of this. 4 packs of this or 4 packs of this. All right, if you choose. Or 4 packs of the Slim Bold if you choose. But for me and the likes of my friends, we always go with Vigor Bold. You'll be having 4 packs of Vigor Bold. One of them is going to be your tool for your business. All right, you're going to use 1 pack as a tool for building your business, while the remaining 3 is for you to take. Remember, in this business, it's not about selling. We don't do selling here. It's a business of people who are health conscious. We are conscious of our health, and we want to ensure that we stay healthy 24/7, 365, and we also want to earn an extra income. So this is not about selling. So if you listen carefully, I said when you sign up with 73,600 naira, you will get 4 packs of this. 1 pack is for your business, for you to run your business too. Then the remaining 3 packs, of course, is for you to take good care of your health and that of your family. So how does this roll? For you to succeed in this business, there is a blueprint. And I am here to talk about what you need to know about this blueprint, the things you need to do to succeed in this gold package path. So number one is mindset. You have to first believe that you are worth 24.6 million. You got that? You have to first of all believe that this business is possible, is doable. All right? You have to first believe, because even God cannot bless anybody beyond their capacity. All right? So you need to have that capacity. You need to have that confidence that yes, this 2026, you're not going to be dilly-dally about it. You want to make money and you want to run with the ENL Gold Package Path. So once your mindset is in place, the next thing is planning. Yes, if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. Every partner who joins this business with 73,600 needs to plan, because your first goal in this business is to register your first 2 partners. Yes, 2 partners is all you need to drive this business till you get your 24.6 million. Those who have extra energy can go for more persons, but 2 visionary partners is all you need to sign up in your network as your team partners to drive this gold package path till the finish line. All right, so you need that planning. You need to be very careful about how you're going to go about your business, where are you going to go to talk to people, because remember, this is about wellness. So you're going to be looking for like minds, people like you who also are health conscious. They want to take care of their health, and they also want to make an extra income. They could be working somewhere, it doesn't matter. Salary is good, but salary alone cannot get you there. So you need a system that will keep paying you even while you sleep, according to Warren Buffett. So your 2 partners is your first goal. So, but before you can do this, once your mindset is set, you need to plan. And once you have planned, you now need to strategize. That's number 3. You need execution strategies. What are the things? Are you going to do? How are you going to go about them? For example, in this business, I recommend this: post daily. Yes, you have to post daily. You have to post daily. You not only have to post daily, you need to come out of your comfort zone, come out of your house, and reach out to people every day. My recommendation is 6 persons per day. Reach out to 6 new persons per day. Remember, you're not going to run this for all your life, for the whole of the year. You're going to only run this for 90 days. This is a 90 days plan within the system to get you started on this gold package path. So 6 persons per day. Post every day. What are you posting on your status? You are posting the product, this wonderful product. You post them on your status. Somebody's going to chat you up. Someone's going to be asking you, what are you doing? What's this product all about? Explain to them. Get them on board. All right. Then you step out of your comfort zone, go to lounges, go to places, go to marketplaces, go to offices, and tell people about the gold package path. 6 people per day is very, very small for anyone who is serious about their business. Sometimes these 6 people, you may not see them outside. You may see them on your DM. You may see them on your WhatsApp. You may see them in your contact. Talk to them. The goal is to ensure that you talk to 6 persons every day. Now, the question is, when you see these 6 persons, what are you going to be talking about? What exactly are you going to be talking about? Is part of your strategy. You are going to be telling them about the wellness arm of Enterprises Next Levels. You're going to be telling them about the cooperative arm of Enterprises Next Levels. And then you're going to be telling them about the real estate arm of Enterprises Next Levels. As you all know, the wellness arm is where we ensure that we stay healthy. So people must be interested in their well-being. The cooperative arm is that part of Enterprises Next Levels that give people leverage, so that when they need loans, when they need monies to sort 1 or 2 things, especially business, they can come to us and get these loans. We have emergency loans of 100,000, emergency loans of 300,000. And then you have the real estate arm. People who are looking for places to put their monies, let them come to Enterprises Next Levels. 30% every single year. Beautiful. We even have compounding, such that your 1 million naira in the Enterprises Next Levels in 10 years will be worth 13.7 million naira. That is amazing. So when you step out to talk to these people, what are you going to be telling them? You're going to be telling them about these three arms I just called. The wellness arm, you're going to be telling them to take care of their health. Why? Because prevention is not only better than cure, it's also cheaper than cure. And then you're going to tell them about the cooperative, so they know where to keep their monies. Because these days, if you keep your money in the bank, you can't borrow from the bank. But the bank will always ask, come and keep their money in the bank. But you can always come to Enterprises Next Level, keep your monies with us, and come back and borrow from us at just 10% interest for the emergency loan of 3 months, and then 12% interest for the regular standard loan of 12 months, which is 1 year. Marvelous. So also show them the real estate. So these are the things you will tell these 6 persons that you are meeting every day. These 6 persons you meet, whether you're meeting them on your WhatsApp status, you need to be intentional about what you are doing. All right. It's not enough to have a good mindset. It's not enough to have the right planning. It is also important you do your strategies very well. It is very, very important that you do what you have made up your mind to do. You do it very well, because anything that is good to do, you have to do it very well. All right. So the next thing you need to do is action. This is where many people fail. All right, you cannot just sign up on the Gold Package Path with 17,600 and then you sit down at home and just relax. Yes, your uplines will do 1 or 2 things like I've been doing for my team members. We'll put 1 or 2 persons in your network, but that's not enough. Where are your 2? Because that's the agreement. Where are your 2? You have to take action on these beautiful plans. All these beautiful plans that you've already written down, these are your goals. You need to take action on them. So action is what separates the best from the rest. And then once you have started taking these actions, what do? You monitor your progress. Within the actionable plans, you need to monitor your progress. What are you doing? How is what you are doing panning out? What are your results? If you're not getting the kind of results that you need, change your strategy. And then number 5, you have to be consistent. This is where some people who take action fail. They are not consistent. Consistency means doing that same thing that works. Underline the word works. Doing that same thing that works over and over again, never getting tired. That's what consistency is. So you have to be consistent with what? Consistent with posting every day on your status. Consistent with going out to talk about your business. When you have finished the 90 days plan of 6 persons per day for 90 days, do the math, that's 540 people in your network, as in contact network. Don't stop there, still step out. 2 persons, 1 person, keep talking about your business, because don't forget, it's paying you. You are moving from one cycle to another. You are moving from cycle 1 to cycle 2, from cycle 2 to cycle 3. You are just moving, all right? So you don't stop there. You stay consistent and you keep doing your business. And then finally, focus. You need focus in this business. You cannot just be consistent. You have to be focused. What does it mean to be focused? To be focused means if someone else comes to me and say, Ambassador Sweetness, please, can you join this other network, wellness network? What am I going to be doing there? Is it not the same thing that I'm doing here that I'm doing there? I cannot be fooled. I will stick to Enterprises Next Levels. Why am I sticking to Enterprises Next Levels? Because it's the same thing that you are going to be doing there that you're already doing here. So I rather put my energy in one place. It's just like when someone pees on one spot, you see foam. Yes. So a lot of people get distracted when they join a program like this. After 1 month, somebody comes to tell you about another company, and then before you know it, you are running from pillar to post like a rat race. This is a company with integrity, ladies and gentlemen. So I would rather be here than to be doing multiple networks, multiple businesses, dissipating my energy. So focus is important, because if you don't focus in this business, if you get distracted, you will burn out. You will burn out. Trust me when I tell you. It's just a matter of time. Yes, people will be making 1 or 2 noise. You'll be making 1 or 2 money, but in the end, you will have nothing at the end of the day. So mindset, number 1, planning, number 2, execution strategies, number 3, action plan, number 4, consistency, number 5, and above all, focus. You have to be focused to get the job done. Don't forget to follow up on your people as they are buying products and they're doing the decision. Follow up on them, so that it doesn't seem as if you're all about referral bonuses. No, it goes beyond that. Follow up on them and ensure that they are doing well, because you are not a leader until those you have brought into the system becomes leaders. Thank you very much, and God bless you.